Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to add collaboration on an Instagram post or reel after posting. First, you'll have to open an Instagram application on your phone, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right side. And now you will have to choose the post, reel, or anything that you have and you want to add the collaboration for. Simply, I'll go for anyone. Then you should click on the three dots on the top right side. And after that, you should scroll down till you get here this option, partnership label and ads. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see these options, add paid partnership label. Just toggle this option on and it will show you here this new option, add brand partner. Click on it. Then you should search for the brand or the partner that you want to add. Simply type its name, its Instagram name, then click on the add button, then hit the continue. But I forgot to tell you that in order to do all these steps, you need to have a business account. So you need to turn your Instagram account into a business account in order to see all these options available. So keep that in mind before you hit the dislike button. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.